What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, it is your girl Patra Kiera. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 different ways to style boots for the fall time. I have collected so many boots and I really don't even know how. But before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get it. The first pair of boots that I want to show you guys are these leather boots. These are my only flat boots right now. I decided that I wanted to just do a thigh-high flat boot for the fall time, so that is why I decided to cop these boots right here. They have a side zipper closure, and they also have like a I guess this will be patent leather toe box, and I am so obsessed with these boots. So yeah, let's get into the first outfit. I decided to put a Gaultier mesh top on top with this vintage Gianni Versace skirt. So freaking cute. And I decided to then pair the boots. So really cute look. I thought that the length of the skirt might be a little weird with the boot at first, but it actually looks really freaking nice together. Let me turn the skirt to the front. And the details in this skirt are so beautiful. As you can see, every layer in the skirt has detail. Even in the back, there's detail on every layer. Are you guys kidding me? Look at this. This is like the most beautiful skirt that I have. And for me personally, I love turtlenecks with short hair. So now that my hair is cut, this is going to be my thing. Like, I want to wear more turtlenecks, and what better than a freaking Gaultier mesh turtleneck? Like, there's really nothing better. And the bra that I have on under is also mesh, but it is Fleur de Mal. If you guys have heard of that brand, they have some really nice lingerie. So I would definitely recommend checking them out. I'll make sure to link their website down below. The second pair of boots that I am styling an outfit with are my Tabby boots, my Margiela Tabbies. I finally got them fixed. The soles at the bottom were coming apart, and I ended up taking them to a shoe cobbler to get them fixed. And honestly, they are in a lot better condition. Ooh, it is dusty in here, child. It is so dusty. I hope y'all can't see that, but it's real dusty right now. I got the soles repaired, and what else did I get? Oh, I got them recapped at the bottom. And I'm not gonna lie, recapping them at the bottom is making them a little uneven when I'm walking. So I might have to get that redone again, which is kind of annoying, but I will say that the guys did a really amazing job as far as putting the soles back together at the bottom. For my Tabby boots, I decided to give like a more collegiate look, and this is perfect for if you are in school, you know, you want to be a little fly but still casual and cute, and you don't want to look like you're trying too hard. This look, I would say, would be the one. I have on this vintage Princeton sweatshirt, which is like super ripped up. I actually bought it this way. Came out really nice, honestly. And I paired it with these leather pants and my Tabbies. And such a simple, cute look. Like, this look took no time to put together. I have all of my chains on, so I'll come up close to just show you guys. I have my chains on, and then I put on the Fleur de Mal bra underneath because, you know, you just want a little feminine touch added in there, I would say, with the look. Well, you guys, if you've already been following me on YouTube, then you already know about these. These are my old reliable helmet laying platform boots that I will probably never get rid of because these are also super comfortable, and that is what I am all about. Honestly, I love looking good, but I love to be comfortable. Like, if my feet are hurting, I'm not in a good mood. Like, I'm not in a good mood and you don't want to be around me. And I like to be in a good mood. I like to have positive vibes. So therefore, I buy comfortable shoes for the most part, unless I'm getting an Uber. But these helmet laying boots right here are a little bit more grungy, I would say, than the Tabby boots are. They kind of give more of like a punk rock vibe, which I also thoroughly enjoy. The next outfit that I have on is this Versace blouse, and I paired it with this overcoat right here. This overcoat is just vintage. The pants that I have on are my Slum Weirdo pants. I'm like, if I'm going to put an outfit together with these boots, since they do give like that rock star punk vibe, I am going to do it right. So yeah, I decided to pair them with these stacked pants. They're super, super long. And yeah, the Versace top was just kind of like a nice little way to stay feminine on top and then give a little grunge at the bottom. And of course, the coat is a necessity for when you're going outside, because of course it's going to be a little chilly, and it's all about layering at the end of the day. So the last shoe that I'm gonna style today are going to be my Versace boots right here. And these I decided to style because they are more of a fun look. And we like to be fun, like, you know, we love black, but we also like to switch it up and have a little fun moment with some color. All right, so for the Versace boots, I decided to pair this mesh dress. This is a vintage Vivienne Tam dress. And yeah, sorry if, you know, I'm kind of exposed right now, but I am so obsessed with this dress, and the boots are like the perfect addition with it. I never thought to wear these boots with this dress before, and I've only worn the dress once. So yeah, when I wear it again, these will be the shoe of choice. I think that the plays on the green from the details in the dress, they are more of like an olive green, I would say, but then the boots have different color greens, and I think it just really looks so nice. I'm losing my balance, clearly. This is another great, just simple outfit, you know, like if you want to wear something that's a little bit more fun, this would be an outfit that I would say would be nice. And all right, everybody, so we have reached the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please make sure to comment down below if you do. And also, you know, I'm open to any video suggestions, any videos that you want me to make. So make sure to leave that down below as well. I would greatly appreciate it, so that we can keep the channel growing and I can keep filming content that you guys really enjoy. But with that being said, it's time for me to head out. I hope y'all have an amazing week. I will see you in the next video. Peace.